Hello and welcome to Learn UX ID, or I am the owner of ProDesign.tech. I have an agency, small design agency. We mainly work on landing pages for SaaS companies and businesses, law firms, tech firms, medical or medicine like doctors, chiropractors, and a lot of other stuff. Anyhow, today's topic is that how you can design a landing page for a SaaS firm. If you are starting, you have a startup, you have a SaaS firm, and you are looking for how to design a landing page for your startup or your SaaS firm, this video is a must watch for you. So I might be, a video might be long, like 10 minutes, but you have to watch it. Okay. So I'm going to share with you my top landing pages. One of the firm was positioned number 2 spot on product hunt with these landing pages. Okay, so I'm going to share with you. So first we are going to start with my portfolio. So let's hide these and I'm going to go one by one. Okay, so here is one startup. I'm going to compare it side by side. Let's zoom out a bit. Okay, so we also worked on some of the minor variations of the logo or branding. So your logo or branding must be good. Okay, first thing is that. Second is your color scheme. So how you are going to impact your users in the top section of your landing page or website. So mostly startups, they have first landing page to ensure that the user actually sign ups or try out their product. So it must be compelling. There must be some reason why I should be signing up for this service or why I should be using this service. Okay, so you can see first section and a very clear message. Your top headline or tagline or your main heading, it should convey what your company does. Okay, so I have seen a lot of startups and SaaS products that they actually miss this point. They actually have a very vague kind of headline that organize your life or something like that, but it doesn't show you what actually is your product. Okay, so there must be one or two line that actually tells everything about your product. Just within first 5 seconds, your user must be able to tell why I am here, what this website is about, what this product is about. Okay, so open your bank account in the US. So this is actually, this startup was actually facilitating different software firms across the globe to settle in United States. So you can see, set up your business in US fast, easy, and without any legal hassles. Business information formation, virtual office guaranteed. So this is to make sure that the right audience is over here and they know what they are doing. Okay, get started, give them their email and they are going to give you an estimate or something like that. Okay, so the salient features of the basic problems with most of the businesses that are going to shift to US. Physical business address problems, bank and Stripe account problem, legal issues in US. So all this, so you can see in the, even in the image I have used Stripe and growth, that this person has grown this much using our plans or something like that. Operate in US, a map of location, company incorporation, all these different services again, some of the reviews, so to show the credibility that you have done something, or you can use some badges if you have achieved something or something like that. Okay, then I have the pricing plans over here that were with the switcher. I also have the developed version for this. I might show you at the end of this video. So this is again the office location, the images of your startup. You can have the images of your team or while you are working on the product or something like that, because it is going to have a connection or build a connection with your audience. Okay, so you have to have some human touch in there on your landing page or website. This is my opinion. Commonly asked questions, this is very important. Frequently asked or commonly asked questions. And then a footer with privacy policy and all those policies and things like that, blogs, or if you have anything like that. Get started, and you can see over here it says only from $250 plus state fees. So the user mostly it average on average it costs around $500 on different websites. So this is pretty affordable. Okay, so this is one example of the landing page I did for a startup. Here's another one. Let's discuss this one. This one is a very good case study. Okay, so this was the old website and I didn't know what they were doing. Okay, so here we have this one, and no clear message, no nothing. Okay, so the message was clear, but the primary action, I think it seems like some developer, just tried to create a landing page, in my opinion. Okay, so here we have something which is very different over here, which I did over here, and which is, if you have a SaaS company, you can see over here some of the things like achievements or opportunities for the user. So if they are going to use your product, they might get 108 job promotions or 2.5 million assessments this tool has done, positive reviews, career paths, calculate your career paths, things like that. And the next part is, you can see I actually put some featured client reviews or user reviews. So this is that was my idea actually. They never told me that there should be something like that. And then this is a carousel. Basically, you click over here and it moves to the next section. So 4 things that are the major parts of this app, which is get assessment score, your career paths, your upskill, career counseling. So this was actually to find your skill score and your career opportunities. So this was in SaaS AI startup. Benefits of using SkillScore, just 2 benefits, very salient. You can have 4 over here. How to use SkillScore, 3 steps, 1, 2, 3. And then we have some of the screenshots of the app and some of the features, like you can see over here: vertical growth, career growth, a great team of industry marketing experts and things like that, job suggestions, analyze career paths. So most of the time users are going to read only this and then look at this image. So these 2 things, the wording of your headings, heading 2, heading 3, they should be very, very carefully chosen. They should I would say, ease up the problems or the fears in the mind of your users. Start a 7-day trial just to give them a free trial of your product. This is very, very necessary. 7-day, no credit card required, cancel anytime. This is again a fear of your users. So here we have some of the legal issues, because most of the refund policy, license, privacy policy, all these things are going to be the legal issues of your startup. This is the address and phone number, I think is good if you want to show the credibility. And here is another version which I did, which was more on the human images rather than the illustrations, because it was more aimed at young professionals that just graduated from the colleges and universities. So things like that. Okay, so this is another case study. I think this is another one, and this is a totally different theme. Let me see. Okay, so let's discuss this one. Product hunt number 2 spot. This is a totally different theme I did. So here again you can see credibility section over here, intro section of the feature. Okay, so these pages were different features for each. Each page has a different feature of the app. Get Facebook ads data to Google Sheets, healthcare agency marketing reporting tool, Facebook ads reporting tool. So and then we have the next section, which is the credibility, our clients. Then we have some of the things or features or unique selling points, move your data into your fingertips, white labeled. So you can see most of the users, they are going to let's zoom in, they are going to read this, they are going to skip this over here. Maybe sometimes if they are more interested, they might read these bullet points. Okay, so make sure whenever you design something, you have these things in your mind, that they are going to read most of the headings, and they are not going to, you can see over here, this is a nice way to show all the features or benefits like this. And CTA button, let's start with Facebook template. So I actually also did the UX audit and the onboarding flow design for this firm, this startup, and we actually had a very good time working with each other again and again on like 4 or 5 different projects. Okay, so here we have another one. Again, you can see I am following the same thing, very minimal design. You can see over here with icons, replace existing data, print new data, email, PDF attachments. So this is how you design. Okay, so these kind of diagrams, they really work. So if you can explain something in a diagram, this is going to be very, very good in these kind of circumstances. So let's see, I think we have another diagram over here, like you can see over here. Let's zoom in. So you can see this is all done in Figma, and I just designed this how it actually works, and multiple data sources you can embed in our tool and get the reports. So that is all. I think that is all about how to create your startup or SaaS landing page and what should be the elements over there. I think one thing I'm missing is, I think they had some badges. Yes, awards and recognition. This is very, very important. I just missed that, and I remembered that I had designed a portion over here where we have all the reviews and rewards and recognitions this app has got. Now, most of the apps I have seen, they have Capterra shortlisted or Capterra best value. Make sure you get all these awards, and if you have any user reviews, you can put that over here too. So your illustrations, they really matter. I used a premium illustration over here. So that is all. I think that is all. This one, I think I will review some other time. But right now, I think the time is short. This video is already very lengthy. And if you are an owner of a startup, or looking for a SaaS web designer or app designer, you can always contact me. I have an agency website, prodesign.tech. You can also check out my Instagram handle, msnadrisi. I'm going to list down everything over here. Also check me on LinkedIn. You can connect with me on LinkedIn or DM me on LinkedIn. And you can also call me on my WhatsApp number. I'm going to list my WhatsApp number over here. I will see you soon in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.